married out of choice, and there's no crime attached to that. My job is to act well.
Right.
And my personal time and what I do is not really anybody's concern.
Right.
So it has nothing to do with my professional life at all.
Anna Hazare movement also fizzled out because, nothing happened after that.
The entire youth, I think they have it in their minds. They know what they have to do, and I think the change has started. It'll take some time. So I understand the kind of situations a journalist, a reporter has to be under. Rain or storm, they have to file the story and kind of put it out there. So I have deep regard and respect now.
People are looking forward to your duel with Manoj Bajpayee as well.
He's a fabulous actor, so it's great fun working with an actor who's performing very well right in front of you.
You're part of this big ensemble cast, and I think Arjun Rampal is having a very strong role in the film. There's Amrita as well. How's the experience of being a part of so many actors? We've been seeing a few capsule videos which are coming off of the making, and you guys are having fun in terms of the topi and all that stuff.
One of my best shooting experiences.
There's some making videos which are doing the rounds.
What?
He's talking about some topi, I don't remember.
No, actually there's some making videos which are there.
That topi, which we are all wearing.
Yeah.
That white.
That's the making.
That they must have released that on YouTube.
That's coming out in making. They've been released.
Okay.
जनता को पहनाई जाए, सरकार को पहनाई जाए, हमें टोपी पहनाने वाला यहाँ पर जितने लोग शूटिंग देखने आए वो अब अपने अपने घर जाए.
I think it was one of my best shooting experiences.
Right.
In terms of where we shot, how it was so controlled, and that made it easier for all of us, and we had lots of fun together. I've worked with Arjun also before.
Right, Arjun, you will. I have this personal question because somewhere it bothers me as a journalist as well. At times we read these reports in newspapers that Kareena is married now and the other actresses and this and that. Somehow the moment an actress is married, in the way you're just forgetting that 2012 she's had a great year, 2011 she's had a great year. Does it bother you? Does it upset you somehow?
Not at all.
You're used to it now?
No, it's not used to it. I'm married out of choice, and there's no crime attached to that. So,
but do you feel that too much is made about the entire thing, and it's a bit harsh at times?
No, I don't give it too much heed. So I'm not thinking too much about it because my job is to act well.
Right.
And my personal time and what I do is not really anybody's concern.
Right.
So it has nothing to do with my professional life at all. That's what I feel.
The entire paradigm when it comes to Satyagraha, somewhere it's tackling something which is very, very topical. We are having a huge number of debates going on all the time, and somewhere it's said that it's based on Anna Hazare movement as well. Do you feel that a public action, because we saw a lot of just craze around the entire Anna movement, but somehow after a point of time it fizzled out, and we're not even hearing about all those things at all. At a point of time it was very, very high. Do you feel somewhere that we require something which is more consistent and people driven? There's no harm in something which is people driven at all?
Yeah, change of system, because I think the Anna Hazare movement also fizzled out because nothing happened after that.
Right.
I think nothing continued after that. It depends on the people and the public and the youth today to carry it forward, because one person cannot.
Right. What are your views on this?
I completely agree. The entire youth, I think they have it in their minds. They know what they have to do, and I think the change has started. It'll take some time.
Do you have more admiration for I think hardcore journalism as such, because you've experienced it now?
Yes, of course. I understand the kind of situations a journalist, a reporter has to be under. Rain or storm, they have to file the story and kind of put it out there. So I have deep regard and respect now.
Right. And what do you think, personally, what do you feel that is the importance of credibility for any reporter?
Of course, I think it's a credible profession, because you're sending out information, and that's why sometimes you get upset when you read that it's misinformation has come out.
Right.
Responsibility is very important because
They are responsible. They're giving
because
out.
media plays a very big role in whatever is happening today in the country. Also, it is playing. I mean, today the information goes out from the media.
Absolutely.
And something wrong which goes out can suddenly, like, we keep reading,
Mislead
don't
people.
don't follow these rumors and things like this. When something happens, maybe after a bomb blast or maybe because of the rains or whatever. So that's media's responsibility also to send the message out. So there is responsible media, there is media which is not very, very responsible,
Right.
which is getting there and will get responsible eventually.
Finally, if you have to sum up Satyagraha, any unforgettable experience while shooting for it, or any thing that you personally felt that you learned maybe, or something that you'd like to say? If you can.
No, I didn't know that reporting could be so much fun.
Acha, you did.
So I'm happy that I did the movie.
What I learned was more in detail about how things happen behind the politics and
Right.
how people play games and the reasons and things like this. So which was very interesting.
People are looking forward to your duel with Manoj Bajpayee as well. You're having interesting dialogue, Bazi, in the promos.
Yes,
so far.
we have, and he's a fabulous actor. So it's great fun working with an actor who's performing
Right.
very well right in
Right.
front of you.
मिस्टर मानव राघवेंद्र, क्या समझ रखा है आपने हमको? बाराती का ढोल कि आप बजाते रहेंगे और हम डांस करते रहेंगे।
You're having very unorthodox sort of music as well, which I think generally you've not been. Raghupati.
Not really.
I think it's very,
Raghupati
very
is-
high octane.
is-
I think
yeah,
it gets you the
is-
goose pimples for
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
And there's one
That's-
more. I think Prasoon has written it.
Both the songs. I think
Ji.
the romantic song is also very nice.
Right.
It's different, it's nice. Raghupati inspires you. So this is the kind of music which the film required, and that's what it has.
And your experience about the music part of it. Something
I think
totally.
it flows beautifully in the movie, and I love the romantic song.
Okay.
रस के भरे तोरे नैन सावरिया रस के भरे तोरे नैन.
Thank you very much for being on Border Rangama. Looking forward to Satyagraha and all your future ventures. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Border Rangama. Keep on watching.